Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update your Play Store on Android phone. For doing that, let's open Play Store. As you can see, a profile icon of your Gmail, tap on it. And here is an option of settings, tap on settings. Now here a new page appeared. And here is about section, tap on about. As you can see, we got the option of update Play Store. Now tap on update Play Store. A new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. Tap on got it. Now wait for a few moments. As you can see, Play Store update is downloading now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.